Hello, my name's George, and in this video, I'll be walking you through how access, users, and teams work in MKIO. MKIO uses role-based access control, or RBAC, to manage who can access resources and what they're allowed to do. Before we get into the steps, let's quickly define the main parts of the access model. An organization is your company or group using MKIO. A project is where your working resources live, things like assets, live events, and transforms. A user is an individual person who can belong to one or more organizations and teams. So a team is a group of users inside an organization. Teams are how permissions are assigned. In MKIO, users don't get access directly. Their permissions come from the teams they belong to. Every organization starts with two predefined teams. You've got your administrators or everyone. The administrators team has full access across the system, including organization settings, project permissions, and billing visibility. The everyone team automatically includes all users in the organization. Administrators can decide whether this team has a user, reader, or no access at all. If you want more control over who can access specific projects, the next step is to create a custom team. To do this, you need to open the profile menu in the top right, go to Organization, Settings, then open Access Management. From the Teams tab, click Create Team. Enter a team name, and if needed, add a description. Once a team has been created, you can open it to manage members and project access. Only members of the administrators team can create teams. Inside the team, you can add users and manage their membership. Use the Add User button to add people to the team. From there, you can also assign a user as a team admin or remove them from the team. And this can be done by the administrators or by team admins for that specific team. Once the team is set up, you can decide which projects it should access. Inside the team view, add the relevant projects and choose the access level for each one. There are two main levels. The first one being reader. This is for read-only access. And the second one is user. This is for creating and modifying project resources. This allows you to give different teams access to different projects depending on what they need to do. To collaborate with others, you first need to invite them into your organization. Go to Access Management, then open the Invites tab. Click Invite User, enter the person's email address, and choose whether they should join the Everyone team or an additional team as well. Once sent, the invitation appears pending until the user accepts it. Invitations can be sent, resent, cancelled, and then they expire after 14 days. When a user is invited, they receive an email with an MKIO invitational link. They can follow this link, sign in using either a Microsoft account or an email, and then accept the invitation. Once accepted, they gain access based on the teams they are assigned to. And if the invitation doesn't appear, the most common cause is that the user signed in with a different email than the one that they have received the invite with. And that's how access teams and users work in MKIO. For more detailed guidance, refer to the documentation link below and follow along for the next guide in the series.